Wood gives me energy, but not only just by burning it. I got excited to reveal a beautiful shape that is hiding inside a piece of wood. There are infinite ways to shape it, and the symbol for that is the Lemniscate. I designed a tea light candle holder that I can cut out with a CNC router. But because I don't have a CNC router, I go to my local makerspace, the Kaasfabriek, which means cheese factory, and is located in Alkmaar, the Netherlands. Here I can convert my geometric code, which I created on my laptop, into a rotating bit that cuts away just the right amount of wood, turning the digital bits and bytes into wooden chips. It is so satisfying to see your own design rising out of the sawdust. So that's why I totally agree with the phrase, life's better when you make stuff. And I like to make stuff from wood. So that's why I like wood.